Let's learn how to mark an invoice as paid in Docyt. This tutorial is for the invoices that have already been paid outside the system, when payments were made manually, through a card, or by someone on your team, and you now need to record them properly in Docyt. Once an invoice has been verified and its status shows ready to pay, you can update its payment status. Click the drop-down next to the amount and select Mark as Paid to view all available payment methods. These options are for the payments made outside Docyt, and you simply want to record it for accurate bookkeeping. Let's start with the first payment method. Choose Mark as Paid via Cash option when the payment is made in cash outside Docyt. Select Cash from the drop-down options. A pop-up will appear, showing the invoice date, due date, and asking you to enter the estimated date of making payment via cash. Enter the estimated date of payment and then click on Mark as Paid. That's it. Your payment gets processed as Mark as Paid via cash. The next payment option for you is paying via credit card. Same as before, click on the drop-down next to Amount and select Mark as Paid via credit card. Do this whenever an invoice is paid outside of Docyt with a credit card. Again, a pop-up will appear, showing you the invoice date, due date, and asking you to enter the payment date and payment account. Enter the correct payment date and the account and click on Mark as Paid. Your payment gets processed as Mark as Paid via credit card. The next option is to record Mark as Paid via manual check. This time, select the third option in the Mark as Paid dropdown and click on Manual Check. This is to record all the invoice payments done outside Docyt via issuing a check manually. A much elaborate pop-up window will appear, showing you the invoice date, due date, and asking you to enter the estimated date of payment, payment account, and check number, which the visual demonstration shows you to find in your check and enter the last 3 digits. Click on Mark as Paid, and your invoice gets processed successfully. The next option is when an invoice is paid via bank account, ACH, or a debit card. From the Mark as Paid drop-down, select Bank Account, ACH, Debit Card. This is for all invoice payments made outside Docyt via bank account or debit card. A pop-up showing the invoice date, due date, and asking you for the payment date and payment account will appear. Enter the accurate payment date and account used for making the payment and click Mark as Paid. Your invoice will get processed successfully. Next payment method is advance settlement. Advance settlement moves the invoice amount from accounts payable to another internal account when someone has already paid it on your behalf. Once you click on Advance Settlement, a pop-up window will show you the payment date and amount, while asking you for the balance sheet account and the memo. Once you choose the correct balance sheet account and enter the memo, click on Mark as Paid. Your invoice will get processed successfully. You can check the paid invoices by going to the submenu on the top left and clicking Paid next to all invoices. Here, you will find all the paid invoices with the respective payment methods mentioned in the queue.